Hi everyone, it's Monday afternoon at around 5:45 and this is your video number 328, closing comment. Don't forget to subscribe if you like the work. It really helps. Okay, so I know that everybody's tired of my talking about COVID issues, but that's what turned the market here today. After a major rally this morning that saw the Dow up 563 and the NASDAQ at yet another new high intraday of up about 207, when the news of California's Governor Newsom closing closing restaurants for in-house eating and bars because of large numbers of new cases. The market had about all that it could and headed lower. The Dow finished up 10.5 after, as I said, being up 563. NASDAQ down 2.3% or 225 points after being up over 200. The S&P closed down just under 30 or 0.94%. The Russell down 19 at 1.34%, and the transports down 136, 1.45. Market internals were soft but not overwhelming, with the NYSE 9-5 down and the NASDAQ 2.3-1 down. Volume was about unchanged in the NYSE, but substantially higher by about 20% in the NASDAQ. We also had news of the June Treasurer's budget report that showed a deficit of $864.6 billion deficit. On the positive side, we have Analog Devices, ADI, buying MXIM for $21 billion. ADI was down 7 at 117.39, and after being as high as 73.52, MXIM closed at 69.34, which was still up 5 1/4. Also on the good news side, we had earnings from PepsiCo. They beat both on revenues and earnings, even though beverage sales were down on the strength of their snacks and food business. The stock, which was as high as 138 and change, closed 134.83, just up a scant 37 cents. On the futures side, we had the oil down 45 cents after being both up and down substantially. The gold closed 1814.10, up $12.20. The silver was the real star, though, closing its open outcry session at 1978.8. As you can see on this chart, it looks like it closed mid-range at 1745. That is the electronic session ending, but as you can see, it still closed higher than Friday's high and is ready to actually may have gone through there. This high was 1975 and today's high was 1981. So yes, we have made a new recent recovery high. This is the weekly, and that high was back a year ago, September 2nd. We had a lot of reversals in the NASDAQ stocks. I'll just give you a few. They'll all be listed in the daily note. Tesla was as high as 1794 and change, closed 1497, down 48. That's a 300-point range, closing near the bottom. Apple made a new high at 399.82 and closed at 382, down about $1.03. So not a big change, but way off the high. Same situation with Facebook, high 250, closed 239, down 6. And a couple of the SPACs that have been in such great demand lately, SPCE, which is Virgin Galactic, uh, which was up during the day, managed to close down $1.16 at 1809, down 6%. And Spartan Energy, SPAQ, which is the SPAC that is acquiring Fisker Motors, a electric vehicle maker who tried this with a $200,000 sports car that was great looking, but nobody was willing to buy and went bankrupt. Traded as high as 2166 and as low as 1452. Finished the day down 9% at 1517, down $1.53. One stock that had a great day today, the name of the company is Equilum, and the symbol is EQ. Their COVID drug showed dramatically reduced mortality rates. The stock closed at 332 on Friday. Opened this morning. I covered this in the pre-opening comment because it was trading around 9, which was up 200%, managed to get as high and close 2705, up 2386, or 748%. And one last one, same area, Pfizer and Botanics, that's PFE and BNTX, both in a partnership deal, got fast track approval for their vaccine, and Pfizer closed 35.21, up $1.37, 4.1%, and BNTX closed 77.78, up $7.42, or 10.6%. Okay, everyone, tomorrow's another day. I'll be back first thing in